Hello everyone, this is Ed. Welcome to another Windows Insider preview build video. And today we're looking at 19587. Now, I had a bit of trouble with this build. Coming from the previous one, 19582, installation went fine, had no issues. My workstation rebooted, and when it rebooted, it came back and gave me a nice, beautiful screen. I call it the Halloween screen, green with a not so friendly smiley face, and it went into a constant loop. I then tried to repair it. I tried a system restore. I even tried resetting it as a last option from the cloud. It failed. I now did a reset from local. It worked. So now I'm back in here. I have, you can see I'm running the latest build now. My feedback hub, I have submitted a feedback on this because it shouldn't have crashed. I mean, I've been running Windows Insider for a long time now, probably a year. So before we jump into what's broken on my machine, let's check out what's new in this build. You can basically see that there's not much compared to 19582, where there was pretty much a lot of things to do with Samsung and the new phone app, etc. etc. General changes here. Volume muting that they've said they fixed, the improvements to the narrator, and then fixes. There's a number of fixes you can read here, and then the list of known issues like the previous build. So as this is a machine that's reset and it's said it's kept my apps and everything, what I did notice is that my start button doesn't always want to work on this build. I can click and click and click nothing. If I right click, it works. As you can see, my Office 2019 is broken. It was working, was installed. So I need to fix that. The Microsoft Store, it basically brought back everything. If we go look at the downloads and the updates, it basically modified almost everything on this machine because it had to do a reinstallation. OneDrive is up to date, no antivirus either, so antivirus is blown away, even though it says it kept all your apps. What else is broken here? So if we go to the control panel and we look at, so you can see I don't have a mail icon anymore because it doesn't detect the presence of Office, which is odd because it's supposed to keep everything for you when you do the reinstallation. My games are still here. Steam, I think, is missing as well. Okay, Steam is here. Yeah, also gone. So it looks like resetting locally and keeping files and personal stuff doesn't actually seem to work properly. So I don't know if it's just this build or if it was something that happened in the previous build that caused this to fail when I upgraded now, but just be aware this build seems a little bit buggy. It seems a little bit sluggish as well. If I click the windows or the task view, it's got some of my history, but everything is pretty much broken. I have to reinstall all my apps and that. If we head over to settings, previously you had your picture here with a shortcut for backup or Windows updates, etc. If I go to updates and security now, it tells me that I'm up to date. I am joined to the Insider program on the fast ring. If I go look at my system, you can see that I'm running Windows 10 Pro Insider 19587. So I don't know what caused this to break. My other machine doesn't want to update at all. Doesn't find the update. I have to go through that manual process now of going and fetching the files in using bits and then updating it. So I've sent my feedback to Microsoft. I don't know what's changed in this build that's causing the issue. Hopefully nobody else is having an issue. But so far, Windows inside of Preview 1.9.5.7 is not so much fun, especially when things are broken. What I'm not happy about is the fact that my apps are missing, which they're supposed to be there. Luckily, this is like a test machine that can break, but it's not the point. The point is that you have to go and reinstall everything, configure your applications and your mail accounts, etc. So just be aware. Maybe they'll come up with a fix for this, or maybe they'll release a new version to fix whatever's wrong in this version. And thank you very much for watching.